Alright, second morning in a row. Starts right up, runs for a few seconds, a little bit of a rough idle, and then just dies. And now can't get it started again. Too smoky. Take my foot off the gas. With my foot off the gas, I'm going to put it back on because it keeps doing that. Even with my foot on, it's almost like the amount of gas is changing. Seems okay now. Weird. I guess it's the fuel filter. Has a leak in it, getting air in. I don't know. We'll see.